BECKHAM Enterprises, Molina, Georgia. Steers and heifers. 3-1. Be somewhere around 32 steers. Around 700 pounds at delivery. BECKHAM Enterprises, 3-1. BECKHAM Enterprises, Molina, Georgia. Steers and heifers. 3-2. Be around 41 heifers. Around 670 at delivery. Delivery date will be around September the 5th. BECKHAM Enterprises, steers and heifers, 3-1, 3-2. BECKHAM Enterprises, Molina, Georgia. Really a nice set of #1 muscle, medium and large frame steers and heifers. All the blacks, only one Charolais, a few black whiteface. Calves sired by Angus bulls. From Kensington Angus when the BECKHAMs were in the purebred business. BECKHAM Enterprises, Molina, Georgia. Steers and heifers, 3-1, 3-2. Mr. Richard and Glenn BECKHAM. Grant Johnson, the manager. Calves getting just a little supplemental feed and out on grazing. By the delivery date, the cattle have around 75-80 days. Cattle weaned back around June the 22nd. Again, really a nice set of #1 muscle, medium and large frame steers and heifers, Angus sired, out of commercial cows. 3-1 will be around 32 head of steers. 3-2 will be around 41 heifers. The week of September the 5th delivery. BECKHAM Enterprises, Molina, Georgia, 3-1, 3-2.